Welcome to this brand new video. We have a new version of Nugget. As you can see it right here, under releases we have version 7.1 and we are at the Nuggets official GitHub page. It is completely free and open source. You can use it to customize or tweak your device without a jailbreak on all the supported iOS versions. Currently iOS 26.1 and lower is supported, including iOS 26.2 beta 1 on all of your devices. And in this video we will see what's new with a step-by-step demo. First of all, to use Nugget you only need iTunes. Python is not required as it is built into Nugget, so you can simply get to the official Apple's website and get iTunes for Windows from here and then install it. And one thing to note that this video is for educational and informational purposes with the only aim to customize or tweak your own iOS devices. Also, before you use Nugget, make sure that you back up all the data on your device using iTunes so that if in any case anything goes wrong, you can always have the option to restore your data. Now to get the latest version of Nugget under releases, you will see it right here, version 7.1 at the time of making this video. You can check out these new features. The most noteworthy thing is that now the restore mode is added so that you can easily get and install the MobileGestalt tweaks, because previously you were having issues using the AFC mode where you needed the developer mode, and also you might have seen the timed out error. Now using this new restore mode, it is much easier. I will show you that in a second. Also, if you use the restore mode, you don't have to launch Nugget as an administrator. But make sure before you use Nugget, the Find My iPhone or Find My iPad is turned off. Make sure that you turn it on after you have applied your tweaks or customizations. We have some improvements to how the liquid glass can be disabled or enabled. And also we have some new internal options like disabling the clock icon, seconds hand, and so on. We have some bug fixes also, which will improve your experience when you use Nugget. Now you can simply scroll down and get the nugget_windows.zip file to your computer. As you can see, I already got it. I will simply right click and then extract all. Once it is extracted, you will see this folder here. Open Nugget, and then before you open it, please connect your device via USB and then simply open it. Alright, you can see my device is on iOS 26.1 and it is supported. You can use the MobileGestalt tweaks or customizations using this button and selecting whichever feature you want to enable. Also, if you check miscellaneous internal, here you can see the new disable clock icon second hand option, which you can disable from here, and so on. Also, in case you are wondering where the enable Apple Intelligence and enable the iPad OS multitasking on iPhone has gone. If you want to use it, go to settings, then hit this check mark, then you will see this eligibility button, and from there you can enable it. Also, if you check out MobileGestalt, you will also see that we have the enable iPad OS option right here. Now before you can use the MobileGestalt tweak, go to apply, and from there you have to choose your MobileGestalt file. We will first of all get the file from our device to the computer so that we can use it. Getting the MobileGestalt file is straightforward. First of all, as you can see, I have this device indeed on iOS 26.1 final version. Now to get it, you will simply open Safari and simply head to the official Nugget GitHub page. From here, simply scroll down until you see getting the file. Make sure that you have the Shortcuts app installed on your device. If not, you can simply go to App Store and install the Shortcuts app. Once installed, you will simply hit Save MobileGestalt from here and it will get you a shortcut. Then hit Add Shortcut. You will see it right here. Simply tap on it, then use the manual method, allow, OK. Simply click here and then hit the file blob. Alright, then hit NSS or NS string. You will see it right here. Simply press and hold and then hit select all. Alright, now simply hit this right arrow, then hit on share, then hit on copy, go back, you will see this check mark, hit on it, then go back again, simply hit this check mark again, you will see this dialog, hit on always allow, and then you can send this file over to yourself by simply emailing to yourself and then getting it on your computer so that you can use it. You have the option for airdrop also, or you can also save to files and then transfer it using iTunes via the iZip app, which you can easily get from the App Store completely free. Once this process is done, we can move to the computer. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the MobileGestalt.plist file. Alright, now I will open Nugget, and from there I will simply choose Gestalt file. I will select the same plist file I got from my iOS device and then hit open. Now go to MobileGestalt and I will select enable charge limit and enable always on display. Go to settings and make sure that from this book restore apply method, it will be on AFC. Select it to the restore method. The file transfer method should be on device. Go to apply again. Make sure your device is unlocked and find my iPhone or find my iPad is off. You can enable it later after you have applied your tweaks or customizations. Now simply hit apply changes. Do not unplug the device until the process is 100% complete. Your device will start and then reboot again. This time it will reboot the second time. Don't unplug it or do anything until it is complete and you see the home screen. Once you are in, you're good to go. Now you can hit OK and you will see success here. And finally, after applying those tweaks which you have selected, so I had selected the charge limit and always on display. Now if I open settings and go to battery, you can see I have this charging limit right here which I can change. And if I go back and go to display and brightness, you can see we have the always on display which works. We'll lock the device, unlock. You can see it works without issues. Now removing the tweaks or customizations and reverting back is very easy. Go to apply and then select the same MobileGestalt file which you got from your device. Alright, now go to settings and make sure the restore method is selected instead of AFC. Then go to apply again. Then you will see this remove tweaks button. Simply hit it and from there you can revert back or remove the tweaks and customizations like MobileGestalt or any other customization or tweak you had selected. Then hit OK and wait for the process to finish. Alright, you will see success here. Your device will again reboot the second time. Once it reboots back up to the home screen or lock screen, hit OK. And your device should now revert back to stock. That's all for this video for Nugget 7.1 version. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.